Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Gavin or BornHype coming at you guys with a brand new video. Today we are going to be unboxing 3 random shoes. I just felt like I needed to get a video out there because a lot of shit has not been happening. I signed up for Supreme San Francisco, but I never got a text, so I guess we're not going. Um, but I do know what these shoes are. They have released already, so I'm not really gonna go over them too much. But let me put them down. Oh, and I got a haircut, if you guys couldn't tell. Bang. So these are the Kyrie SpongeBobs. Actually, these are the Patricks, I think. Yeah, they are. Oh, these smell weird. But these are the Patrick Kyrie 5s. These are actually really nice, to be honest, for like kids and stuff. Really dope shoe. I loved SpongeBob growing up, so these bring back some memories. But we got Patrick on the inside there. And yeah, and then it says Nickelodeon on the little, I don't even know what this is. It's like a lace cover. No, because it doesn't cover any laces. A tongue cover? I don't know what that is, but yeah, these are pretty dope. They move pretty well at Flight Club, so definitely gonna consign these. And I'm pretty sure another box is another pair of those. I think in a 6.5, because this is a 7. Yeah. So let me get that box. Oh wait. Let's save that one for last, I guess. We'll open this one real quick. Same thing. Patrick's again. I took L. It was so hard entering these manually. Oh wait, these are a size 6. Shit. I definitely ordered a 6.5, so yep, definitely ordered a 6.5. Hold on. Pretty sure I ordered a 6.5. But they're releasing the Pineapple House ones. Oh no, it was a size 6. They're releasing the Pineapple House Kyries, which I'm gonna go for. I think they'll do well again, because these move so fast at Flight Club and Stadium Goods and all that, just for little kids that want to use them for basketball. But this last shoe, I actually won in a raffle on Facebook, because I do a lot of selling on Facebook. I know people hate Facebook. Like, sneaker Twitter people always cook it, but God, my hair is messed up. Okay. Sneaker Twitter people always roast Facebook, but I tend to like it. Bang. Size 8.5. And these are some Gym Reds. I won these for like $100. Not terrible. We've all seen Gym Reds though, so I won't really go over them too much, but the usual Gym Red. I feel like I should keep a pair of these. They're really nice. Yeah, won those for like $100. They're like $3.50, so some quick profit there. Not too bad. But those are my 3 boxes. Oh yeah, and then I got the Supreme Lantern, which my mom opened, unfortunately, because it went to her house. And the burner phone. I got the black one. You guys saw that live cop. Actually, we'll open this real quick, because you can open it without ruining it. Like ruining it being DS. And it doesn't really matter, because you can't sell on StockX anyway, so. But it comes like nice like this. It's all like sealed up and stuff. But it's pretty easy to just mess around and take it out. But bang. Here it is, the Supreme burner phone. Thing's pretty dope, actually. Like, honestly, them coming out with a burner phone is just funny. Very, very funny. Okay, I gotta finagle this back in. I didn't take it out of this before. Okay, and she's DS again. And then it comes with like charger and all that, but you have to buy a SIM card for it. And it actually supports 2 SIM cards, so you can have one side chick on one SIM card and the other on the other. But yeah, it's 3 gigahertz. I think that's what G stands for. It's 3G though. My camera lagged. Focus. 3G, 2.4-inch display, VGA camera. What the fuck? 32 gigabytes memory. It's Bluetooth and it has a flashlight. So, pretty fucking sick. Definitely a dope piece. But yeah, regarding the 1,000 subscriber giveaway for the Lundmarks, I still have them. I did not sell them. Do not worry. That is coming up. I'm working it out. The first person I was going to do it with, because somebody wanted to do it with me, ended up flaking. So I'm working with Shaw Solutions. I don't know if you guys know that group or not, if you're on sneaker Twitter. But Shaw and Wash Cops, that's what they go by. They're going to work with me, so we're going to get this giveaway up soon. And as soon as it is up, I'll let you guys know, obviously. We'll have a video explaining everything. You guys will be able to enter. And yeah. But I'm going to start consigning a lot of this because I do need to sell it. It's not really moving much. A lot of the prices are just steady now, so I might as well just drop them off at consignment. And then I'm probably going to start trading my Yeezys collection for some ones because I like to switch it up. Yeezys in the summer and then ones in the winter. So, yeah. But hope you guys did enjoy this video. And I also have a confirmed Shattered Backboard 3.0 size 11. So, get ready for a review on those. But, hope you guys did enjoy this video. It's been Gavin or BornHype, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment down below. It really does help out the channel. Make sure you guys share these videos. I mean, whatever floats your boat. But join the Discord. And yeah, hope you guys did enjoy this video. This has been Gavin or BornHype, guys. And I'm out. Peace.